Good evening to my all friends. Hope that all of you are well in this COVID-19 situation. I am Santan Mandal in front of you, a student of JSRS Institute, and today I will say something special to you. I think all of you know that today is 15th August 2020 and it is the Independence Day of India. At the day of 15th August of 1947, India got independent from those coward British who just ruled India for 200 years. They just tortured the normal people a lot. You can imagine that. They just told the Indian normal people to do any work, and if anyone can't do it, they just torture, they just beat them and sometimes kill also. But though suffering the torture from the British, there are some Indian great patriots who just again and again woke up and revolted up against the British. And that's why we should respect those Indian great patriots, and we should respect our motherland India, and we should respect our national flag. You don't know that the Indian great patriot for whom we are just seeing this independent country named India, for whom we are just seeing our motherland independent, they just gave whole their thing. They just gave their life for their motherland India. And that's why we are seeing that India is an independent country. There are some famous great Indian great patriots like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bose, Chittaranjan Das, Rajbihari Bosu, Master Surya Sen, and also some female Indian great patriots like Pritilata Vadedar, Matangini Hajra, Nanibala Devi, Duglibala Devi, etc. We also should mention the female Indian great patriot's name because they have the same role like the male Indian great patriot. Now let's come to their role. What's the role in their independence? Every patriot was very brave, was as brave as like lion or tiger. Mahatma Gandhi, Master Surya Sen, Chittaranjan Das, Rajbihari Bosu was very brave person, and they just again and again revolted up against the British. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, I don't have to mention his name because we all know it. All over the India know his name. We may say that he is the main person for whom we are just getting independent. His famous speeches are quote unquote Dilli Chalo or Tomra Amay Rakto Dao, Ami Tomader Sadhinota Debo. For his motherland, he was put in jail also for a long time. But though he again and again he woke up and revolted up against the British. Khudiram Bose, we also know his name, that he is the first male Sahid of India. Pritilata Vadedar is the first female Sahid of India. They were so brave, and Matangini Hajra was also so brave. She was an old female, but though again and again she woke up against the British. Nanibala Devi, Duglibala Devi, they were just as brave that they didn't tell anything about secret of India to the British. So just see how brave they were. And at last, the British understood that now the Indian people are out of their control. Now now the Indian people are not being handled by the British, and then they left the India. And there is also some time when the whole Indian great patriot became together and revolted up against the British. And at last, by the blood of those great patriots, by the hard work of those great patriots, India became an independent country. India became an independent country at 15th August of 1947. So nothing more today. I am drawing the end, and before drawing the end, I am saying that in this dangerous situation we can't go outside, but anyhow, please buy national flag of India, then host it in your own home, and respect your national flag, respect your motherland, and salute those Indian great patriots. And at last I am saying that I love India, I am Indian, I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you.